Best food for fungal infections. A nutritional approach to healing fungal infections can be uncomfortable and challenging to treat, whether on the skin, nails, or internally. While medication and topical treatments are often necessary, incorporating the right foods into your diet can bolster your body's defenses and promote healing. Here's a guide to the best foods for combating fungal infections and supporting overall health. Understanding fungal infections and overgrowth of fungi such as Candida, Aspergillus, or dermatophytes causes fungal infections. They thrive in moist, warm environments and can affect various body parts. Common types include athlete's foot yeast infections, ringworm thrush. A weakened immune system, poor diet, or overuse of antibiotics can make the body more susceptible to fungal overgrowth. Proper nutrition is vital for addressing these factors. Top foods to fight fungal infections. 1. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with potent antifungal properties. Consuming or using raw garlic in cooking can help combat fungal overgrowth and reduce inflammation. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in caprylic acid, which has antifungal properties. Cooking with coconut oil or applying it topically can help inhibit fungal growth. 3. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, ginger can enhance the body's immune response. Incorporate fresh ginger into teas or meals to reap its benefits. 4. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients that support immune function. They are low in sugar, making them ideal for reducing fungal-friendly environments in the body. 5. Probiotic-rich foods. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut contain beneficial bacteria that restore balance in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome can suppress fungal overgrowth, especially Candida. 6. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV contains acetic acid, which helps regulate body pH levels and inhibits fungal growth. Add a tablespoon of ACV to a glass of water and drink it daily. 7. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with potent antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. For maximum effect, use turmeric in cooking or as a supplement. 8. Berries. Low-sugar fruits like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries provide antioxidants without feeding fungal infections, which thrive on sugar. 9. Bone broth. Rich in amino acids like glutamine, bone broth helps repair the gut lining, essential for preventing fungal overgrowth. 10. Herbal teas. Teas made from chamomile, peppermint, or pau d'arco can be antifungal and soothing. Foods to avoid. While eating the right foods can aid recovery, avoiding foods that exacerbate fungal infections is equally essential. Sugary foods. Sugar fuels fungal growth. Minimize sweets, sodas, and desserts. Refined carbs. White bread, pasta, and pastries can break down into sugars that feed fungi. Alcohol. Fermented drinks can contribute to fungal growth. Processed foods often contain hidden sugars and preservatives that disrupt gut balance. Hydration matters. Staying hydrated is crucial for flushing out toxins and maintaining overall health. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas to support your body's detox processes. Conclusion. Addressing fungal infections isn't just about medication. Your diet plays a pivotal role in recovery. By incorporating antifungal foods like garlic, coconut oil, and probiotics while avoiding sugars and refined carbs, you can create an environment in your body that discourages fungal growth. Consistency is key. Combine a balanced diet with proper medical care for a comprehensive approach to overcoming fungal infections and promoting long-term health.